Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Oven Recipes. Today I'm going to be grilling up some vegetables, okra to be specific. Going to grill up some okra on the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So we're going to get started with that and do some grilling of some okra right now. Alright, so for this grilled okra cook, I've got myself some okra. I've got some extra virgin olive oil. I'll be using some freshly ground black pepper. Also got myself some applewood smoked sea salt I'll be seasoning with. And to start, I'm going to preheat the NuWave Primo. So I'm going to lower the temperature down to just 340. If I were using like an air fryer or something, I'd probably do like 360, but I'm going to use 340 for the grill. I don't want to overcook them too fast with the direct heat. So I'm going to hit the preheat button and going to hit start, let things preheat. While things are preheating, I'm going to mix some oil and some spices on my okra. Alright, preheat has finished. I'm going to open up and get my okra on. Just going to lay all my okra out on my grill plate. Lord willing, it all will fit. Alright, going to close up here. And at this point, I'm going to hit the start. And I'm going to adjust the time down. We'll adjust it down to, let's do 6 minutes. We'll do 3 minutes per side. We'll see how it looks after about 3 minutes. Flip things over and see how it looks. Alright, we've got 3 minutes left. Hitting pause. Going to give my okra a flip. Alright, it's got some nominal grill marks there. Just some light grill marks, that's okay. This is vegetables, it's not meat, so we don't need to grill the life out of it, and I mean that pretty literally. We don't want to grill all the nutrients out by overcooking. So we'll give it 3 minutes on this side and see how things look after that though. Alright, hit start. Bring you back in a few minutes. Alright, our time's up. You see a little steam coming out, turning things off, getting that lid off. And the oil is going to prevent too much searing from happening, or prevent some of the searing, but you can see we got some sear on that opposite side there, these. And so they cooked up pretty nice, and they should still have some crispness to them. Have a look at that. Alright, I'm going to get these off because they're getting so hot that they're starting to make a little whistle sound as the stuff inside them is trying to burst out. So I'm just going to put most of them there. I'll set one here to do taste test work with, but that's how your grilled okra looks off the NuWave Primo. Alright, so for this piece of okra, I'm just going to cut some slices off of this stalk here. So I'll taste test, a couple of those, but there you have a look at your grilled okra from the NuWave Primo. Let's do some taste testing. Alright, so let's do some taste testing of okra from the NuWave Primo. Okay, that grilled okra turned out great, not overdone, so we're all good. And so basically I'd like to hear your comments about this. You can find this, other recipes and heating instructions at superwaveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at NuWave Oven Recipes. You can always come to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Referral links below for cookers used in this cook and others. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and good eating.